Listen, there's just something about a perfectly roasted whole chicken. It's juicy, it's tender, it's flavorful. But what if I tell you today's recipe, we're not using an oven. We're using Typhur Sync Air Fryer to create this delicious whole chicken. It's quick, easy, and delicious. So let's get into it. All right, guys, to begin, I'm going to make a quick compound butter. Okay, I'm using unsalted butter for today's recipe. Now make sure your butter is room temperature. Just add that in. And also I'm using all these seasoning. I'll have it below for you. If you use any of my baked chicken recipe, you know this is my all-purpose homemade seasoning. It's Italian seasoning, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, cumin, all of that good stuff. I'll leave it below. To add a little bit of citrusy flavor, I'm using some lemon zest, maybe a teaspoon. I'm gonna be using the juice as well. Make sure you're not adding any of the seeds. You can make this ahead of time. It's so tasty. Now for the chicken, I like to cut it because that way it'll cook faster. So I'm removing the backbone of the chicken, pretty easy. All right, now we're going to pat dry our chicken. This chicken is already clean, okay? Once I'm done, now it's time to add the butter to the chicken. Lift the skin up and then grab that delicious butter. Now, because this is going in the air fryer, it's best to do this method because you don't want to burn your seasoning. But of course, you can add some seasoning on top once you're done, just for a beautiful color and flavor as well. But I like to add that butter under there. Looks good. And I'm going to do the same thing for this side. See, scoop it in there and just push it down. The leg, the thigh, the drum. You see that? Yes. Every part of this chicken is gonna be delicious. Now we're going to do the breast. The same thing, guys. 2 fingers under the skin, just like this. And then grab the butter, insert it. Very nice and clean, okay? Move it all over the chicken. The breast is the part a lot of people hate. If you know how to cook it, you're gonna love eating the breast. Just drizzle some olive oil, and I'm using a little bit of seasoning on top just for color, like I said, and some flavor too, but keep in mind, too much of that seasoning might burn, so that's why I don't go too heavy with the seasoning. Don't forget to season the back side of it, of course. Okay. Today we're going to be using Typhur Sync Air Fryer. Listen, I couldn't wait to get my hands on this air fryer, okay? It's about to replace the other one that I have. Y'all know I rave about Typhur products because they're really, really convenient. So let's open this real quick. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is big, y'all. Look at the size of this tray. Listen, we about to cook in here, okay? You guys, what really set this Typhur Sync Air Fryer apart is the built-in wireless thermometer. This actually tracks the internal temperature of your food in real time, and it automatically shuts off when the food is perfectly cooked. No guessing, no overcooking. I mean, do y'all see the size of this tray? This is 8 quarts. Okay, which means you can fit a whole chicken in here comfortably. Perfect for family meals. And if you like doing meal prep, oh my God, this is a win-win. You get multiple cooking function like air frying, roasting, reheating, dehydrating. So it really replaces multiple appliances in your kitchen, which is savings. And also one thing I really like, you able to see the battery indicator on the screen right there. So when the battery's low, for the probe, just plug it in. Let me tell you, everything is dishwasher safe. The probe, the basket, because you know, after a long day of cooking, you don't feel like washing dishes by hands. Okay, you can even connect this to your phone to monitor your food and get alerts when it's done. So cooking just become a whole lot easier with this Typhur Sync Air Fryer. All right guys, I'm going to place the chicken breast side down, and then we're going to flip it over and cook the other side. My wireless thermometer is going to monitor the temperature of the chicken. So now we're going to close it. Now I'm going to press the preset button. I'm going to select chicken because that's what we're making. And this is the current temperature of my chicken right now. Once it's done, it's gonna be 165. And also you can air fry, roast, or bake because this is a chicken, I'm roasting it. So select the roast, and then we're going to hit start. Look at it. It looks good already. Now let's flip it over so we can cook the other side. Oof. Now I'm going to close it and unpause it, and now we wait. Let's take this chicken out, y'all. Oof. It looks beautiful. Oh my gosh. It looks so gorgeous. Transfer it here. The best part of this, I didn't have to guess to know what temperature it is. Let's remove the thermometer. Perfect. Y'all, this is my favorite part. You already know, the taste test is my favorite part. Let's cut through it. Ooh, yeah, that is juicy. Oh my God, that is juicy, yo. That is juicy. We love it. Do y'all see the juice? Yes, let's cut another piece because this chicken is juicy. And we love it. I'm telling you, this air fryer is the best thing that I could ever get because juicy, and I didn't have to guess or keep looking, keep checking to see if it's ready. Let's try it. If you know me, you know my baked chicken always fire. Ooh, now let's try it. Let's try it. That's good. Listen, that's good. Flavorful is an understatement right there. I'm lost for words. Wow, amazing. I don't know, it's just something to this combo of seasoning. And the chicken is juicy at the same time. I love it. I love it. Listen, I do have a code for you guys for this Typhur Sync Air Fryer. It is Island Vibe, and you get 10% off. So this is a must-have. You can do so much. You can make so much using this air fryer. It's crazy. And also, don't forget you have a wireless thermometer to let you know when your food is ready. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you enjoyed this recipe, what you're going to pair it with. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I truly appreciate every single one of you guys. I'll see you guys on the next recipe. Bye, guys.